You are looking at a set of authentic Brian Tooley Racing Delphi LS7 lifters, packaged and shipped right here in Kentucky. These lifters come in a wonderful carrying case that can also double as a tool to pre-soak them in oil before installation. Remember, thoroughly clean your lifters prior to soaking them in oil. Also included with this listing, you'll find a complete set of brand new lifter trays. The lifter trays included serve as a quality replacement for your old, tired OEM trays. Rest assured, your lifters will be housed firmly in place with this brand new set of trays.
I just wanted to give you a quick look of my recently installed BTR Delphi LS7 lifters in my truck, and I'm thoroughly impressed with them. These lifters have significantly improved my engine's performance. The installation process was straightforward thanks to the included trays. Those fit perfectly, so that eliminated any guesswork. And I appreciated the quality construction, so it gives me confidence that their durability and reliability will last, especially under high RPMs. After installation, I noticed smoother operation and improved throttle response, making my driving experience much more enjoyable. The LS7 design is known for its strength, and these lifters definitely live up to that reputation. I've also experienced quieter operation, which is a bonus for daily driving. For anyone looking to upgrade their LS or LT engine, these lifters are an excellent choice. Overall, I highly recommend the Brian Tooley's BTR LS7 lifters and trays for anyone wanting to enhance their engine's performance and reliability.